friends. Do you know who I am? I am a sanitation worker, the invisible warrior, keeping our cities clean. I improve the quality of your life. Mahatma Gandhi said, sanitation is more important than political independence. The heroes behind it Subhara Mission on the community of sanitation worker. My well is hidden, my wounds are rashes, my work is how to imagine. I am a god of public health. My health, dignity, rights are also paramount. My work contributes to society, but you people do not recognize my contribution. Every Indian are responsible for keeping India clean and green. Thank you. Bye.